Hello and welcome to Computer Fundamentals. Today we're going to be continuing our course. Today we're going to be talking about console programming. And my name is Aditya, and this is course number 2. The main programming language we're going to be talking about is C Sharp. C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language. Um, it is used for web development, like backend stuff, server-based. It's also used for game development in Unity. That's what I use it for. It's also used for software development, and I might be using it in the future for mobile applications. C Sharp has a really strong library, and many people contribute to it day to day, and using Visual Studio and stuff like that. So, using the software development lifecycle, we're going to tackle a little problem here. So the problem is a client came to me and said, "Hey man, I would really need something to present in class tomorrow." And I said, "What do you want?" He said he had an idea about making a guessing game, but his classmate want to do it because there's a chance that somebody will cheat. So basically, if you have a teacher, you already know this. They will usually like this is a trick game that teachers play or adults play. They're going to ask you to guess a number that is in their head, and if you get it right, you get to do whatever that was supposed to be done. Uh, that game is not even it's not even fair because the number is in their head and they can change it whenever they want. So there's really a low chance of you getting the answer right. So yeah, that's just that's just a lose or lose situation right there. But people really don't notice it. Kids don't really notice it. Uh, all right, so let's go ahead and start planning. The first thing we gotta know is the problem. The problem is a trust issue, and we're gonna have to solve that by doing a random algorithm that is gonna produce a result for every input. This is going to be a console application, and we're going to need our computer, and we're going to scope very small. Uh, go scope small because the application need to be turned in next day. So went back and asked Larry, our client, and he said that he wants some color, some other features like something that will allow the player to interact with the and that's what we're going to do. Uh, so right here we look at our resources. The first thing we determine is our programming language, and that is C Sharp, which platform are we using? As for me, I'm using the PC or Windows. Um, this can also be done on Mac. So we're going to be using Visual Studio Community version. You guys can go ahead and download it. I might put a link in the description. And we just said the estimated time is like 20 minutes for this. Stages. The first stage is going to be our rapid prototype, and we're probably going to go through it. We're just going to build a skeleton and then complete a project and then debug it and then test. Debugging is going to happen as we make it, and we're also going to be testing as we make it as well. It's always nice to test stuff as you go along, then feedback and all that stuff. Uh, since our client isn't real, we're just going to get the feedback by ourselves. So, yeah. All right, tell me if you like the project. I'm going to as it now.